If you want to learn how to easily create a thumbnail for free, then this is the right video for you. I'm going to show you how I do it in CapCut. Usually we need some kind of a background for our thumbnail. I'm gonna show you 3 ways how to find it. The first one is Canva. You can create a free account and go to create a design, choose YouTube thumbnail, and it will open up a ton of different thumbnail templates that you can customize. If you want only background, you go to Elements, type for example gradient background, and it will give you a samples to choose from. The second option we have inside of CapCut, but an online version. You have to click on Magic Tools, scroll down and choose Text to Image option. Here you can set the aspect ratio, we will use landscape, number of generated images, and here we will stay on custom. Down here just write a prompt what you want picture or a background to be and click generate. If you like which one, you can click here to generate more similar ones. The third one, and the one I use the most, is Leonardo AI, which is free. You can create a free account and you get 150 credits every day, which is enough to create a couple of backgrounds. Here you have to click image creation and set the parameters like dimensions and number of image creation. Then just type your own prompt to create an image. I think these images are too bright for my taste, so I will add dark and delete the sunset. This is more like it. I like this first one, so I will click download. So when you find your background, just import it to CapCut. I've also imported this bat here, but you can also find millions of stickers here. I also have my picture and a CapCut logo. Drag down our background picture to the timeline and also a head picture. Resize it if you need to. As you see, our head picture is too bright, so we'll fix that with adjustment step. I will slide temperature down, exposure down, contrast up a little and highlights down. I think that's okay. Drag down the bat, resize it and place it wherever you want. Let's add text. I will write dark side, which kinda suits for our background. I will change the font and color. You can use the color picker for this. And then I will also add a shadow. There you go, our first thumbnail is ready. When you're happy, just go up to these 3 dots and click Export Still Frames. You can then rename your thumbnail and save it to your computer. If you don't like the text, you can go to text templates and choose the one from there. I think this one is great for our theme. Let's create another one. This time I will use a background from CapCut library and I will use my head picture again. To add a stroke around the person, we need to go to Remove BG, Auto Removal, and then we have option to add a stroke. Then we will add a CapCut logo and a text. Shape your text as you like. I will add a stroke and change the font. But as you see, we can't see the stroke. That is because our text is under our CapCut logo. We just need to drag it up and there you go.